Hey, Bruce here, the 5-Minute Handyman. Well, I am doing a bathroom remodel and wanted to show you where I'm at with the demolition part of it. So let's take a look at some of the hardware and we'll talk about it. I would love to have you subscribe to my channel so you can see different renovation projects and handyman activities like painting and carpentry and tiling and such. So let's take a look right now. So we have a garden tub here. The shower has been taken out already. And there's a niche box over here. We're going to end up switching out the valve body for the shower. Double vanity was here. We're going to be putting in a floating vanity, so it's going to just attach to the wall. We didn't know, but we have a little bit of an issue here because some of the plumbing squeaks out underneath. So we'll figure out some creative way of dealing with that. I'm going to be replacing the toilet in here, so we're going to be pulling that off. But now we have this tub to deal with, and I've already taken my plumbing and disconnected it and capped it off. I've also taken some shark bites and capped off these plumbing stud outs as well. So that's good. So we can put the water back on when I'm done here. But we need to get this tub out here. It's a little bit too big to fit through the door, and it's a little bit too heavy for me to carry. So I have my trusty tool right here, and we are going to go to town with this. So I thought this might be interesting to watch. So let me set you up here, and we'll see how this works out. Now the key thing here is to make sure that we protect our eyes, and I've got glasses on here, and what I do is when I am ready to have the hammer strike, I close my eyes in case anything comes in and bounces off my face or something. So just got to be safe when you're doing this kind of work. If I had goggles that would go over my glasses, that would probably be a better solution, but we don't have that, so we're going to go with what we've got. And so let's see if we can make a mess here. Oh, we're making a good mess, yeah. So this is going to make it easy for me to carry these pieces out. I have a couple of buckets here, and so what I'll do is when I do demolition work, I like to take the pieces and put it in some buckets so it's easy to carry, and I'll just carry those down the stairs, and it'll be 1, 2, 3. So keep working at this. Alright, so the tub is almost all beaten up. What I'm going to do here, I'm going to lift it up. Because if I hit it when it's on the floor, it's not going to do too much. So I need to get it up so that it has a stress point. See what we can do here. make these pieces small enough for me to be able to carry them down, fit into my bucket, and we'll be in good shape here. All right, I think that's pretty good. This stuff is quite brittle and it's quite sharp, and so we just want to be careful as we're picking these pieces up that we're grabbing them, not sliding our fingers along the edges, because these are like knife blades. So that's the process we use to get rid of a tub, and I'd love to have you subscribe to my channel and keep watching as we continue this bathroom renovation.